Welcome back to the shop. This is going to be a pretty short video on how to remove or extract a broken spark plug on these modern day 4-stroke motocross dirt bikes. It's actually quite common. They break. I have this cylinder head here just as an example. This is from an RMZ 250. But anyway, I'm in the process of doing a video on a YZ 250F. It's basically just, it's a basket case as far as like, it has multiple issues and problems, and I'm just running through all of them. But while I'm in the middle of making that video, one of the issues was a broken spark plug. Check this out. Yeah. So what happens is you go to remove the spark plug and like, what the heck's going on? Or it happens while you're tightening it up and all of a sudden it just keeps spinning. You pull this out and that's all you have. The threaded part right here will stay up in the cylinder in the threads. Well, how do you get that out of there? So that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. Because what makes it difficult to get a spark plug out when it breaks is it's down up in a hole. I mean, look how far I can stick my finger in before I can get to the top of this. And if you put the valve cover on it too, then it's even a deeper hole. So that's what makes it difficult. I've seen people actually remove the whole cylinder head just to get it out from the bottom, but you don't have to do that. I'm going to be taking clips out of the YZ250F video to show you how I removed this out. Obviously that will also be included in the YZ250F video when it's uploaded in probably about a week or two. But I just want to make this real short video for you guys out there that maybe you're searching on how to, your plug just broke, right? And you're searching how to get it out. Well, here you go. Here, let me show you the video. Here we go. Let me pop that back out real quick, see what's going on. Well, check this out. The spark plug broke the threads. And you saw when I was torquing it down, I never put any real torque on it, and it broke right off. Now we have to extract that. This is going to be fun. This right here is from a previous bike that the same thing happened. I'm just showing you how I extract it. You'll see I'm using this tool right here, and I beat it into the spark plug, what's left, the threaded part, and then it'll allow us just to twist this right on out of the motor. But this thing's stuck in here now. Let me knock it out, and we'll do that. Okay, I got it out of there. Let me see if I can get the size on camera in case you have to figure this out at home too. Where is it? There it is. But a standard Torx will work too. So if that's all you have is just your torque bits. This one looks like it'll work right here if I tap it in. Let me see what size this is. Just for reference. This is a T40. So a T40 should work in these more narrow body type spark plugs. But if you're dealing with the older 4-stroke that has one of the fatter plugs, then obviously you're going to need to use a bigger bit than this, but you'll figure it out. I'm just showing you the steps here. You're going to have to figure out all the other stuff. That being said, I usually don't have a problem with these bigger ones breaking. It's mainly these really thin ones. Look at the difference. Them are the ones that like to break. I picked this tool up from one of these kits, Seathalls. But yeah, I got this from Harbor Freight. It's one of your security type stuff, for like, you know, your special like throttle position sensors and stuff like that. So that's where I got that from. But let's try it out. Let's go ahead and knock it in there. Alright, so I'll take this tool, slide it on here, put it on an extension, and just tap it in on top of the spark plug, or the threaded part of the spark plug. Voila, there it is. No fuss, no fight. Came right out. That's awesome. Well, there you have it. That's how you get that out. Anyway, now it's time to get my bike ready. It's Friday. I'm riding tomorrow. So I hope you guys have a great weekend of riding. Catch you next time.